those crocodilians, very closely related to birds. Matter of fact, so closely related that we can actually show you one right here in the bird show. So guys, hopefully in just a second, we're going to introduce you guys to Boots, our American alligator, who's going to be making his way right here in the river as soon as he figures out how to get out here. Not the smartest animal in the world.
Alright, looks like Boots is making his way out of the water. Now, I don't know if many of you know, but not too long ago, the American alligator, like Boots, was on the endangered species list. Their numbers were so low, they were almost extinct. But that's when people took notice and took action, right there, Marco? Yeah, it looks like he's making his way out here.
That's right.
Go ahead.
Like I was saying, yeah, guys, these guys were almost extinct, but you know what? Due to conservation efforts, people took action. They realized that these alligators are an important part of the ecosystem, so they started doing something about it. They took care of them. They imposed laws to protect them in the wild, and in 1987, due to all of those conservation efforts, the American alligator was taken off the endangered species list.
That is incredible. Absolutely.
How cool, huh?
That's very cool. In fact, now, guys, we can see American alligators all over in their native habitat, even right here in Texas. Very cool. Such amazing creatures. All right, Boots, you did a great job, buddy. This is my favorite part, is watching him emerge off the water and make his way across land and follow his favorite trainer off stage. There we go, Boots. You are really cool. We'll see you later.